Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with another Destash video. This is PayPal only, friends and family, US only, must be 18 years old. Please pay within 1 hour of receipt of email confirmation. And you're going to email me at fphandmade@gmail.com if you're interested. And this is a Halloween Destash, and it's $75 ship. That's $75 ship. So let's get started on what you receive. So first up is this 6x8 die cuts and sentiments from Paper Rose Studio. Some of them have been used, but there's still several in here for you to enjoy. That's what they look like. They're so cute. And I think that's where I used some. And then this pink Halloween 6x8 die cut sentiments from Paper Rose Studio. These are simply adorable. And this is what they look like. I've used a couple of them. As you can see, 2 missing there, 1 from there. Look at that little cat. So cute. Guess he's a kitten. And that's from Paper Rose Studio. And this Mente paper Halloween book, it had 24 sheets. I think I used 5 of them. And here are the designs. I love this paper, and when I purchased it, I thought, yeah, I'll fussy cut those out. Then I remembered, I don't fussy cut well at all. So I totally ruined one page trying to fussy cut the designs out. So fussy cutting, I know now to leave it alone. The 6x8 paper pad by Simple Stories is simple, vintage, scary stories. And it had 24 in it, and I think it's more than half left. Super cute retro designs. Look at that cat. Trick or treat with the witch flying. Can you see that? And these are the design. Okay. And then also I have this My Creative Time, super cute. It's called the Cute Frankie die, and when I cut this out, this is just simply adorable. So it's called the Cute Frankie die. And then I'm throwing in kind of like a Thanksgiving one because it's, you know, around the same time. And that's this Happy Turkey Day die set from Spellbinders. From Trinity Stamps, I have this one. It's called Boo Brew. This cuts out beautifully, and this is what you would make. Look at that spider hanging onto the cup. Super cute. From Anna Griffin, I don't know the name of this set. I think there is an inspiration sheet in here. Let's see. I should have had this out so you could see it. I'm sorry about that. Yep. So it's called Halloween Embellishment Die Set. So here's some of the inspiration cards that you could create. I think I really love this little witch, you know, with this frame. Cut her out with some like real deep dark black cardstock, and then have a frame around it. Super cute. And then from the large die of the month for September 23, Boolicious Fall Cupcakes. This is another one that was super fun. I made a ton of these, and they turned out so cute. And what I liked about it is that you can make them different. You didn't have to make all of them the same. So cute cards with this set. And last but not least, the Spellbinders 13 Days of Craftoween kit, or advent calendar, I know someone's calling it. And it has all the envelopes in it. I did die cut all but day 12 and 13, I think. Yeah, but all of it is intact. has the little envelope with all the dies in there. Super fun. These are so easy to make. I totally enjoyed it, but I made some and I'm gonna make cards out of them, and I won't need them again next year. And then here's the die set. I didn't use the die set, so it's totally new. It has hope your Halloween is to die for, and trick or treat, you're so sweet, creeping it real this Halloween. So I know you've seen this all over the internet, over YouTube rather. And then here are the jimmies that they provided, the sequins purple and orange. So that's it. It says $75 ship for everything that you see. Let me know if you're interested, and that's PayPal only, friends and family, US only, must be 18 years old. Please pay within 1 hour of receipt of email confirmation, and you're going to email me at fphandmade@gmail.com, and that's $75 ship. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.